About 2 weeks after he was conferred with the award of Governor of the Year by the Leadership newspaper, Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has bagged another award. The latest conferment is coming from the Sun newspapers. The newspaper outfit has decided to honor him with the award of Man of the Year 2020.
That the Board of Editors of the Sun Publishing Limited has chosen you as winner of the Sun Man of the Year for 2020. The Man of the Year award is our flagship honor given to that man or woman who has made most remarkable contributions in the social, economic, and political development of Nigeria, thereby giving hope for a better Nigeria.
It's the third award the Rivers State Governor will be receiving from the stables of the Sun newspapers. Previous awards are the Sun Governor of the Year 2016 and 2017. Managing Director and Editor-in-Chief of the Sun newspapers, Onwoha Uke, says the choice of Governor Nyesom Wike was never in contention, describing him as an accomplished performer who has taken Rivers State to greater heights.
Right from the time you assumed office as governor, you have worked in a way that has proved that you want to make Rivers State a place to live in.
Governor Wike says he dedicates the award to God and to the people of Rivers State.
It wouldn't have been possible but for God, and it wouldn't have been possible but for the support the people of the state are giving to this administration. When I've been to a lot of states where you see a governor passing on the road and there's no reaction from the people. And so here in our state, you can see the reactions of the people telling you how happy they are with all your actions and activities.
He also used the opportunity to call on the Nigerian media to be alive to its responsibility as watchdog of the society.
To those of you who have the pen, you must also enlighten members of the public and see that the way our society is going, I don't think it will help us in any form.
Governor Nyesom Wike will formally be conferred with the Sun Man of the Year award at a ceremony to be held in Lagos on October 16.